Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Olivier and Alima. Today I'm going to show you how to find Mesh by Amazon Halloween niches. Let's get right into it. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. Quick reminder, I partner with Creative Fabrica to give you unlimited access to over 5 million font and design for just $1 for 30 days. All you have to do is to click the link in the description below. You will have full access of Creative Fabrica for just $1 for 30 days. Definitely a good deal. Thank you. I'm going to show you 3 methods to find Mesh by Amazon Halloween niches. For the first method, we will have to use a paid tool. You can use either Podly or Mesh Informer. These are the two tools that I know that are using archive, and using this archive, you will be able to see what sold in the previous years. If I take, for example, Mesh Informer, and you go to the product research, make archive, you can go, for example, as you can see here, October 2021. And I'm going to select the 15, but you can select the first, the second, etc. But let's say I'm going to choose the 15 and you click on the search. What this tool will show you is basically at this date, October 15, 2021, what were the best selling t-shirt according to their database. And it's going to be the same thing if you are a subscriber of Podly. You're going to do the same thing. You will go to archive here on the left menu, and then you will select the date that you would like to cover. Let's say for the same date, I'm going to say October again and 15. The two tools will show you according to the database. They don't have always the same items, but most of them are going to be common, but you will have a few more items in each in one compared to another. So this is not what is important, but the important thing is to be able to find what was selling in the previous years so that you can create more design and hopefully make sale this year. Here I'm on Podly, and we can see that the first one, the t-shirt that with a BSR of 3000 was basically dubbing. This one gathered up to 9 Halloween's character, and as you can see, it made a lot of sales. So you can create certainly a t-shirt for each one of them and target this population. Another one, great idea, we can see here the dinosaur. So dinosaur was also a very good seller. So this year you should create dinosaur Halloween design. Okay. If I go down, another dinosaur, and here we have this t-shirt about the coolest pumpkin in the patch. Make sure to check the trademark when you are doing your design. A very good seller again, here we have the 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥𝗔. So we can basically change here 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥𝗔, for example, German Shepherd, etc., etc. What I like to find when I'm looking for design is to be able to create scalable design. And I made a lot of video on how to create scalable design, but and you can do the same thing for Halloween. So here what I will be able to do is, for example, to create 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥𝗔, 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥 German Shepherd, 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥 etc., etc. For any animals that exist in the world, you can do that. Okay. Another coolest pumpkin. And this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go down. And what is interesting is that when looking for Halloween design, I also find this t-shirt here. In October, we wear pink, that were also very good seller in October. So this is another niche that you can jump into, of course, if you have the slot. But if you are in a lower tier, I would say from tier 10 to tier 100, if you focus on these two niches, you will be able to make sales. Another quote here, I'm just here for the booze, that is there for years. You have to check if it's not trademark, and if not, definitely jump into, create a few design on it. Peter, it's a movie. I will pay attention to create design like that. And as you can see, another one about a dinosaur. And the same thing can be done here with Mesh Informer. You will go down. Here is the same dubbing that we had here. Okay, let's go down. They're not in there. It's not good to do. Let's say void that, and you can see the same dinosaur, etc., etc. Okay, so this is the first method. You look back in the past and you can say, and you can do the same thing. Here, as I said, I selected 15, but you can select 20th, for example, and check. You can even do the whole month, and you're gonna grab a few niches like that, and you should be able to do it. What I notice is that when you are looking on Podly, it is automatically trying to remove all the brand design. So this is something that is interesting with Podly. By the way, I have the link for these two tools in my description. If you didn't have them yet, and you are interested in this method to find design, just go ahead and use the link. I have a very good discount for you guys. Now the second method. For the second method, you can use free tool or pay tools. Okay, for the free tools, it's gonna be Amazon. Is to basically check what is selling right now and create Halloween design based on them. Using the free tool, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to Must Research and you're gonna click on search. What this will do, it will show what are the best sellers right now. When you do that, you're gonna remove the hidden keyword or car. So you're gonna see what are the best selling t-shirts right now. But as you can see, when you are using the free method, you have to filter a lot of brands, etc. That's why I really like to use paid tool, but I understand if you are not making money right now, it's easier to do this free method. So you will filter by all the brands. And I can see that this t-shirt, Pluto Never Forget, is with like more than 3,000 reviews, is selling like hot cake. Very, very, very good seller. So what this tell me? It tell me that people interested in science, astronomy or astrology, etc., are very interested in their thing. So why not create an Halloween based on Pluto or based on planets, based on science, space, etc. So if this t-shirt is a good seller, this means that people are really interested. People that like the retro style, that like funny space, that like science, it's gonna be very interesting. It can be very interesting to create t-shirt for Halloween based on this science. Okay, so you will do your due diligence, check the code, check Halloween code science, and you should definitely able to find a few codes, and you're gonna create your design based on them. So you will do the same thing. You will avoid all the brand. This is what here are the dinosaur here. As we saw, definitely design about Halloween for dinosaur lovers. I can see here a football. So why not Halloween design based on the football niche? So this is how you're gonna do if you want to use the free method. If you want to use the paid method, and I'm using again here Podly, you will simply go to the product research. You don't have to enter anything. Podly will filter automatically everything that is brand according to him, but definitely if you want to create design, you will need to double check if they are not trademark. And you can see here again dinosaur, video game. So why not create a video game Halloween design? Just a girl who loves ramen anime, so why not create Halloween anime design, Halloween ramen design, etc., etc. And I can see here cat, so why not create Halloween cat? And this is a coat that already started to sell. This is bullshit, so you can create more design with your own style with this coat, if of course it's not trademark. Another method to find Halloween niches is to use a tool like PrettyMesh. Why PrettyMesh? Because when you go to the research tab, once you have access to PrettyMesh Pro or PrettyMesh Pro Plus, you will be able to look for niches using an exact match on title only. We have PrettyMesh that is doing that, and we also have Flying Research. As you can see here, if I type in here, for example, Halloween, if I go to the search, instead of clicking on the search, if I click on this arrow, I'm gonna see title search. Okay, so Halloween, and I click on search, you're gonna show me the bestseller t-shirt with Halloween on the title. This is very important to have this on the title because people tend to use the holidays in all or the listing, in all their bullet points, etc. for designs that are not really Halloween related. That's why it's important to have only this research only on the title. And as you can see, all the design that we have should be only based on Halloween design, t-shirts that have been created for this holiday, that have been really created for Halloween, and you will have bunch of ideas that you will be able to use to create your own design. Same thing, will do the same as I said here with PrettyMesh Halloween. I click on the search and it will show you currently what are the designs that are already selling for the Halloween niche, and you will be able to grab and you will be able to select which design you would like to create for this Halloween festivity. And if you remember, I talked about gaming niche and Halloween, and as you can see, this one, it's a pumpkin with the control, with the video game control, and as you can see, BS are already very low. So definitely a good niche idea that you can use to create your design. So this is what I wanted to show you today. If you have any question, please comment below, and if you find any value, please like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell for any further video.